Okay. 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 So, Travel Fanatics. That's the name of the brand, not like just random people who are travel fanatics. The brand Travel Fanatics sent me this 3-piece travel essentials kit. So I honestly don't know what's going to be included in this. Maybe because I don't travel too much. But let's get down here and take a look at what we got. So this is the heaviest thing, so I'm going to save that for last. This looks to be a bag, and I have no idea what this is. So I thought that was silica gel for a second. And this feels like it is kind of full of gel. So I don't know what this is. I'm assuming that this is like maybe a pillow or something to rest on, but you hear that? That's got the beads or sandish kind of material in there. So it's pretty nice. There we go. So pencil, your guys are not waiting. Is this like a laundry bag? It looks like it's, yeah, like a little laundry bag kind of a thing. So open that up. Anything else? There is something else in here. So yeah, about maybe a foot tall, and this is basically just a smaller one. Maybe this is a foot long. Are these the same size? They're very similar. They're very close. Like this one is just maybe like an inch or two shorter than this. So yeah, little travel bag for clothes probably. And let's take a look at this, whatever this might be. This feels like something that once I get it out, it might kind of start to grow. So I'm trying to be a little cautious, making sure that it's not going to, oh my gosh, yep, it happened. So what is this? So there's the brand Travel Fanatics. Let me show this in a bit of a wider angle. Okay, yeah, I do have to show this in quite a larger angle. I am not too sure what this is. So we got something in here that's like Velcro, and more Velcro. Yeah, so it pulled out into a couple different sides. I don't know if it's just like a bag to carry stuff in. There's a little thing like that. That might be the thing that you tuck everything into. So give me a second. I'm gonna try to figure out what this is. Okay, I feel really stupid. So basically what everything is, yeah, this is like a microbead pillow, so pretty close on that. These are like shoe holder things, so they could probably be used for other things. And this really is just a collapsible laundry basket. I was dumb and didn't notice these right here, but you can separate out your laundry like that, and put them on with more effort than I just did, and then you can collapse it up. So pretty neat. I can try to collapse it up with maybe I'll try to see if I can collapse this up. This is probably going to be pretty bad, but you know, it went kind of like that. And then it's going pretty good. Hold on. Oh wait, I think, oh, I heard a little ripping, so be careful. Oh. it's not as pretty as it was, but I'm gonna just stick with that. And again, be careful so you don't break it. But I mean, so basically there's like one little sleeping thing and then some laundry carrying things, and I think it's a nice little travel set. If you're needing to, I mean, carry luggage and mostly laundry around for trips, this is a good option to consider. And this, I mean, having a nice pill like that, that's pretty nice. So yeah, consider this for your vacationing.